first, okay? So everybody, you probably gonna ask me, hey teacher, we're reading books every day. I never thought that actually there are some books, problems related to math as well. Okay, so when we see that one, this is the thing, okay? When you first get hold of a storybook, what do you normally do? Some readers like to read the features at the back of the book. Some like to scan in through the contents page, and other will read the preface for a better idea of the storybook. Correct, everybody? Okay, most reader certainly will be interested to know the number of pages of the storybook. Correct? You don't want to see like, hey, I'm reading a book with 200 pages, 2,000 books, 2,000 pages, right? Of course, the 2,000 pages will be a pretty thick storybook, right? Hence, we learn about the problem related to the page problem. In this chapter, we will learn how to find the total digit used in the printing of the page numbers of a block, and how to find the thickness of the book based on the given total numbers of the digits. Okay, hey Ava, we're learning the page problem, something related to the book, okay?
Okay, sorry, my cat is sitting on my book, on my seat.
打他屁股 kick him.
No, he's sitting on his butt. I can't slap his butt. He's sitting like this.
He's protecting his butt because he knows you're going to slam it. Okay, everybody, let's take a look at this one. Sharon bought a 140-page book. How many digits have been used for the page numbers in the book? So let's take a look at this one. So everybody, do you understand what does digit mean? Okay, digit means, so 11 has 2 digits. Understand, Ryan? 11 has 2 digits. They're 1 and 1. Okay, 24 has 2 digits. They're 2 and 4. Okay, so if we want to count how many digits have been used for the page number of 140 page books, you need to just put them into the 3 category. Understand, Jay-Z, Athene, Ryan? Okay, so the first category is 1 digit, right? Because every single 1 digit, they only use 1 digit. So that's why from page 1 to 9, there are 9 pages that equals to 9 digits. Okay, when page is equals to the digit only when there are only 1 digit. Okay, so now let's take a look at number 2. So from page 10 to page 99, they're the sum of what? The sum of all the 2-digit pages, correct? Okay, so I want to ask Athene a very easy question. So some students think from 1 to 9, there are 9 digits. There's no problem. They know that. 9 pages, 9 digits. But from 10 to 99, how many pages are there first? Okay, so we have
90.
Very good. Very good. 90. It's not 89, okay? Because you're using the last one minus the first one, but you need to plus the first one because that page has been minused by 99 minus 10, correct? Okay, because this 10 is also a 1 page. So we need to add back this page in order to get the 90 page. Get it? Okay, so each number you're using 2 digits. 90 pages, you have what? 180 digits. So the third category is 3 digits one. Correct, Jay-Z? So it's 140 minus 100 equals 40, and 40 plus 1 equals 41 page numbers, and 41 times 3 equals 123 digits. So then you plus all of them, you have 312 digits for a 140-page book. Understand? Okay, so some people said, teacher, if you change this question into 180, am I going to do everything again? I would say there are 2 categories. They're not going to be changed at all. Correct, Jay-Z? Can you tell me what are these 2 categories?
Me?
Yeah? Which 2 categories is not going to be changed if I ask you to calculate how many digits are going to be used for a 180 page book? The people who it's not being called a name, you can just send me the answer by chat. Think about it. So we're having a Zoom class, okay? It doesn't mean that you're sitting there and not doing anything, right? If you don't understand my question, I can do it again, okay? So we're doing, everybody, do you understand how to calculate the 140 page book? Yes, right? Okay, so 140 page book and 180 page book, they're everything the same thing because, you know, page 1 to page 9 is the same. Page 10 to page 99 is still the same. But the only part is being changed.
I have a question.
Yeah?
What, how do you know if it's 90 times 2 or like 90 times 3 or whatever?
Because they're 2 digits. Ava?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so page 10 to page 99, every single page, they're 10, 11, 20, 24. Jay-Z, are you still with me? Athene, do you?
Wait, I have a question too.
Yeah, what is the question?
And why do you have to +1 for that whatever thing?
Yeah, because Ryan, you can see you're using 99 minus 10, right? We're just using the smaller number. 9 minus 1 equals what?
8.
Yeah, but could you just using your great finger, like just count from 1 to 9, how many pages are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
They're like 9. But if you're 9 minus 1, there's only 8. So which one's being eliminated? The first one, because you're using 9 minus 1.
Oh.
First one being by
Okay.
it's existing, but it has been minused about. So that's why you need to pass this one back. So for this page 1 to 9, because there are only 9 pages, so the book doesn't show you how they get 9 because they think you can using your great fingers, right? But from 10 to 99, are we going to count by fingers? Are we? No, we're not, right? Of course, if we're not going to using the fingers, so we're using what? We're using the techniques. So the techniques is, you know that the first page has been minus, so you just a plus back. And if for B, because every single one, they're actually using 2 digits, and you're just using 90 times 2. Okay, so everybody, if you want, could you please calculate from page 1 to 180, how many digits are there being used? Okay, so everything is same.
I already sent you the answer.
Thank you, Ava. Ava, from 1 to 180, okay? It's not just 100.
Oh, shoot, I forgot.
Yeah, okay? Okay, I'm waiting for you. So Jay-Z or Ansel, or sorry, or Athene or Ryan or Ava, if you don't understand part of them, that's a perfect time to ask me some questions, okay? Don't just sitting there and pretend you understand. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So everybody.
Hey.
So let's take a look at this question. Ava, put in, send it to me. Okay, so everybody, Ryan. Jay-Z, Ryan, did you send it to me?
I'm still a little bit confuzzled with.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So I changed the question from 140 to 180. does page 1 to 9 has been affected by I changed the page from 140 to 180?
No.
At all.
No.
Okay, so I can just copy the first case, 9 digits on the page, on the paper. Okay, so let me ask you, the page 10 to page 99, are they going to be affected by the page
No.
number from
No.
140 to 180?
No.
Jake, why it's not being affected?
Because like 99 and 10 are both, and there's
It's
also in the 180.
very good job, because 10 to page 99, or it's both existing. Once page 99, both existed in what? In page 140 or page 180, right? It doesn't matter how thick the book it is. Page 1 to page 99 must existing, correct? Existing.
Uh-huh.
So think about it. You have a book, and this book is 180. Can you believe that this book only have a page of 180? It's impossible. It's always starting with 1 and all the way to 180. Correct, Jay-Z? So basically, we can copy the case number 2, 180 digits on the page as well, right? Correct? So the only part has been affected is page 100 to 180, right? So first of all, I need to find out how many pages are there. 180 minus 100 and plus 1. Correct, everybody? So we have 81 pages. Okay, so for this category, each of the page actually holding 3 digits. Correct? So 1 digits, 2 digits, 3 digits to combine together to create a 3-digit page. For instance, 100, for instance, 120, for instance, 155, something like that. So each page, you need to time what? Time 3. You get 243 digits. Correct? So now we have 3 cases. So it's 9 plus 180 plus 243. So the answer is 432. Get it? Good job, Ava. Good job, Athene. Okay, understood, Ryan? You sure? Yeah, Jay-Z, are you clear? Okay, so if you're clear, we're going to go to some practice, okay? So
I have a question.
yes, what's your question?
Why did Enzo turn? Where's Enzo?
Oh, Enzo, are you missing him?
He's here, but he's not. It's not him.
That's his younger sister. So she's
Oh, and
representing
I was like, Enzo has turned into a different gender.
Oh yeah, bruh.
Okay, so everybody, if you want, let's try this question, okay? There's no help at all this time. I hope you can crack the question with no problem again. So how many digits are used for printing the page numbers of book that has 185 pages? Okay, so let's try it.